Ethereum gas fees, they are changing all the time. If you're minting, buying, or selling NFTs, you can actually save a lot of money with just the right timing. It's also really smart to wait till gas fees are low to move holdings from a hot wallet to a cold wallet. But you probably don't have the time to constantly check gas fees all day long. Who does? So today I'm going to show you how to build a few different kinds of gas fee alerts using Boto, our no-code tool that makes this kind of thing super easy. We'll go over how to set up these alerts to go to Discord, but just know that you can also have them go to Slack, Telegram, and your email address if you want. Let's start with getting just plain old periodic gas fee alerts. Head on over to app.boto.io and click to start a Boto from scratch. With the blank canvas in front of you, pull in the gas tracker block. That's the one with the data that we want. If you want the alerts to go to Discord, grab the Discord block. Connect the two, and you've got a bot. Again, you can have these alerts go to Slack, Telegram, email, or even multiple places at once. All those blocks are over here. But since we're focusing in on Discord, the next step we have to take is making sure that we authorize Boto to post in your Discord server first. So let's invite Boto to your server. Click on the add button next to the dropdown and then click on the link in step 1. Choose your server, confirm, and now go to the channel where you want to post alerts. Type /auth, AUTH, then the email address that you have tied to your Boto account. Now take note of the channel ID that it spits back out at you, because now we're going to go back to the bot and refresh the channel list and pick the channel that you just set up. If you want to make sure it's all set up correctly, click the little play button, and if you see a test message show up in the channel, you're good. Now you've got a decision to make. How often do you want to get the alerts? Let's stick with once every hour in this case. For the message, type in a hash or £, and let's just say that we want to know the average transaction in USD. Fill in the title. Add a mention for a little extra notification boost so that whenever this alert goes up, you get a nice little ping. And then click save. And don't forget, click the little slider to turn this Boto on and it will start firing for you. That's it. Now you have a channel that posts gas prices however often you want. But let's say you don't want to keep checking that channel and you only want to know when gas prices dip below a certain level. We can do that easily by just adding in a filter block. So let's go back to our handy little bot and drag in a filter. Connect them all together so it's gas tracker, filter, then Discord. And in the filter for the variable, let's pull in the average speed transactions in USD. In the operator field, let's choose less than or equal to, and for criteria, I'm gonna put in 250. Now, let's take another look at our Discord block and update a few things. Since we broke a few connections, we gotta make sure all our variables look good and that it reflects what we're pulling in. Let's change the title to gas is now under 250 USD. And that's it. Now you'll know when the cost of a transaction is low enough to save you money. Don't forget to save that Boto and it'll start doing what you want it to do in the same exact channel you had it set it up before. One more really cool thing you can do if you want a fun challenge is to set an alert that will tell you when the total price to mint an NFT that you're after gets below a certain amount. I won't walk through it here. It's a little complicated and honestly, half the fun is figuring it out, but I'll give you a hint. Find out how many gas units minting that NFT costs from poking around in the contract, and then lay it out with the gas tracker connecting to the calculator block to get the minting amount in ETH, and then convert ETH to USD, and then set up your filter, and the rest goes through to Discord. If you take on this fun little challenge and get stuck, find us on Discord or email us and we'll help you out. Enjoy!